Hello, and welcome to another episode of 360 on History podcast. I'm your host, Simon Baig, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of lesser known celestial objects in our solar system. We bring you a truly intriguing object, Haumea, a dwarf planet located in the distant region beyond the orbit of Neptune. Now, Haumea may not be a household name like Pluto or Eris, the other dwarf planets, but it has some mysteries that are sure to capture one's imagination. Let's go back to 2004 when Haumea was first discovered by a team from the Palomar Observatory in Caltech. However, it wasn't until 2005 that the discovery was formally announced by a team at the Sierra Nevada Observatory in Spain, and they used images from 2003 to do so. So initially, Haumea was given the provisional designation of 2003 EL61, but the object would soon get its official name. It was named after the Hawaiian goddess of childbirth and fertility on September 17th, 2008. But here is a fun fact. Before Haumea had a permanent name, the discovery team affectionately called it Santa because it was first sighted on December 28, 2004, just after Christmas. Now, Haumea's story is not just about its discovery, it's about the mystery surrounding its shape, its moons, and its role in the outer reaches of our solar system. Estimated to be the third largest known trans Neptunian object, these are objects that orbit beyond the orbit of our eighth planet Neptune. Haumea's size is comparable to Uranus's moon Titania. Its mass is about one third of Pluto's and about 1/1400th of Earth's. Its equatorial diameter is roughly 1080 miles, making it about one seventh the size of Earth. Now, let's talk about its distance from the Sun. Haumea orbits at an average distance of about 4 billion miles or 6.5 billion kilometers. This places it 43 astronomical units away from the Sun. To put that in perspective, it takes sunlight 6 hours to travel that far. Here's where things get even more interesting. Haumea has a shape that defies what you might expect from most celestial bodies. It's not round like Earth or the Moon. Haumea is an ellipsoid, stretching out like a rugby ball or even like a fat cigar. If you go and look at its pictures on our featured blog on 360 on History, you can see its shape. This unusual shape is due to its rapid rotation because it spins so fast, completing one full rotation in just 4 hours. This fast spin causes it to stretch at the equator, forming that rugby ball shape. Astronomers believe that Haumea is made of rock with a coating of ice, and its rapid rotation makes it one of the fastest rotating large objects in the entire solar system. It is so fast that it's almost as if Haumea is constantly on the go. In fact, Haumea takes a staggering 285 Earth years to orbit the Sun, completing one rotation every 4 hours during that time. It is also thought that Haumea's current shape might have resulted from a massive collision billions of years ago, setting off its fast rotation and even creating its moons. And speaking of moons, Haumea has two known ones, Namaka and Hayaka. Both moons were discovered in 2005 and named after Haumea's daughters in Hawaiian mythology. Namaka is a water spirit, while Haika is the goddess of hula dancers and the island of Hawaii. These moons, along with the dwarf planet itself, belong to a group of objects found in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune filled with many icy worlds. Now, Haumea is not just a strange shape, its surface holds some surprises too. The dwarf planet's surface is as bright as snow, reflecting sunlight almost like fresh snow does here on Earth. In fact, 66 to 80% of its surface appears to be made of pure crystalline water ice, with traces of hydrogen cyanide and possibly some clay minerals. Haumea's bright, icy surface is a reminder of the extreme conditions in the outer solar system. And here's one of the most exciting discoveries. Haumea also has a ring system. This was announced in October 2017 when astronomers observed Haumea passing in front of a star. This made the dwarf planet the first trans-Neptunian object and the first dwarf planet to be discovered with a ring system. Quite a remarkable achievement for an object so far from the sun. Haumea's discovery and the ongoing research surrounding it continue to shed light on the distant reaches of our solar system. From its unusual shape to its moons, rings, and icy surface, Haumea is one of the most intriguing objects beyond Neptune. That's all for today, people. I hope you enjoyed learning about Haumea and its fascinating role in the Kuiper Belt. Join me next time as we continue to uncover lesser known objects in the sky or some unknown fact of history. Until then, I'm Saima Beg, and you've been listening to 360 on History. Stay curious and keep exploring. And while you do that, please do check out our website 360onhistory.com, our YouTube channel 360 on History, and all our social media. See you next time.